retail price is...
Muntikan ko pang hindi ibuksan. Sound. Check. Check. Okay. Alright. Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of The Goodie Bag. I'm your host, Ian Tayaw, and today we're going to check out what's inside this bag. It's from Miniso, Japan. Para siyang Home Depot. I think it's scattered across the Philippines. Tama? Miniso, Japan sa may Cyber Mall. Itong binilihan namin sa Miniso, Japan Cyber Mall, second floor sa may Eastwood City. And the reason why doon kami pumunta ay medyo mura siya doon and Japanese products. So, yeah, mahilig kami doon. Affordable siya. Compared doon sa mga iba, affordable siya. Okay, sige. Huwag na natin patagalin. Unang, nandito, kinuha namin, hairbrush. Focus. Brush. Hair comb. This one is priced at $149. Standard regular brush. Miniso. Ang ganda ng ano nila, ng packaging nila. What else? Baby wipes. 1 pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. Priced at 104. Sorry, may listahan ako eh. 104. Yeah. Kailangan natin yan. And wow. Shit. HDMI cable priced at 100. HDMI cable priced at 119. 50% off siya. 30% off ba? 50? 30% off. So 119 siya ngayon. What else? Wireless keyboard and mouse set. 799 pesos to get one. Yan yung color niya. Mura sila. Affordable Japanese products. Kumuha rin kami ng isang perfume priced at ayun yung perfume. This one's priced at $149. So, dun nagre-range yung price. Wireless charger. Hindi ko pa nasusubukan to, pero $799. So, yun, quick lang. Sinabi ko lang sa inyo na ang Miniso, magaganda mga products nila. Meron din sila mga lamps, meron din sila for general merchandise siya. Meron siyang lamps, meron siyang pang-workout, meron din siyang perfume, beauty products, healthcare, electronics, chargers, you know, all sorts of stuff. Meron din siyang stuffed toy. Yeah. Miniso, Japan. Minsan, kunan natin sa doon, punta tayo kung po pwede. Yan. Quick lang. And this is another episode of The Goodie Bag. This is Ian Tayaw. And I'm out. Peace.